Okay, here 3 plus 5 is 8 times this 2 power 2 minus 6 divided by 2. Here 8 times 2 power 2 is 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Here this 8 times 4 is 32 minus 6 divided by 2. Here 32 minus 6 is 26 divided by 2. Here 26 divided by 2 is 13 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, 13 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is bracket, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 3 plus 5 is 8 times 2 power 2 minus 6 divided by 2. Here the next priority is exponent. Exponent is 2 power 2. Here 8 times 2 power 2 is 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Here next priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division. Here both are equal priority, which we have to do first. For this we have going to follow this left to right. Here left to right is 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32 minus 6 divided by 2. Here division is higher priority than this subtraction, so we have to do this division before this subtraction. Here 32 minus this 6 divided by 2 is 3. Here 32 minus 3 is 29 is the correct answer.